Hello everyone, today I'm working on a C43 AMG W205 Mercedes-Benz. I'm going to show you very quickly how to do the rear brakes. Sorry for the darkness and everything. So we have the rear caliper right here, and there's a clip. Usually I just pry it out like this, push it against, and it's going to come out like this. See, there's two plastic caps, or rubber caps, one here, a 7mm Allen. It's not very tight, so here, while twisting it out. This way the whole pin will come out easily. Like this. We need to get this out because we'll have to clean it up and lube it afterwards. Like this. You have one pad, two pad. Usually it's only one side that has the sensor. We already put the car into brake pad replacement mode. I'll show you right here. First of all, close all your doors and trunk, and then press once on the start, and then hold this back button, 1, 2, and press the middle here, and you'll see there's a brake pad replacing mode here, and you press OK when you're ready to change the brake pads, and it will turn into brake pad replacing modes for the rear. And then after you're done, you press on OK. And now this is taking out. We can use huge pliers or jaws, and now we can press on the piston like this. So because we put the car into rear brake pads replacing mode, we can now press on the caliper piston easily. If you do not put the car into brake pad replacing mode, do not press on the piston, because the car won't know it has new brake pads and it has to reset. Same thing for the outer one. This, and now you can push this back in like this. We have to put back these pins. Put back the pin. Just like this, and push it in and push toward like this, and make sure it's tight. Currently, just press once, and then it says fitting position reach. I press because we changed the brake pads, and currently it is already in brake replacement mode. We press OK like this. You're gonna hear it's currently recalibrating your brake pads and your emergency brakes. The front is actually the most simpler of them all. Very simple. One sensor on the right side. Just lift this clip right here. There's a clip. Lift it up and then pull this sensor So this is the brake pad wear sensor. Do is I like to use a hammer and lightly tap it. Now you should be able to pull it out. Try not to scratch the caliper. This. I'm using a pair of pliers. It's one. So let's remove the V-Torx first. It's not tight, okay? It's not supposed to be tight anyways. And set it aside. And now we can hit the pin right here easily. Just lightly tap it. Like this. And then use the long nose pliers. If you want, you can push it here. It's going to be easier if you push it on the clip. Usually the brake pads comes with a brand new clip like this. And we change only one pad at a time. Okay. Push it like this. See, I'm pushing it inwards. The reason why I put some tape is to not scratch the disc. This. Make sure it's completely pressed. Like this. The reason why we are doing one pad first, it's because when we push these pistons, these pistons will come out. So it's easier to do one at a time, and this will come out easily. See, I'll brake test. It's also a good chance to write everything clean. Quickly. So like I said, the clip goes downwards. Just slide it in. You might have to push it up and down, up and down. Like this. And now we can push the other side. Same thing. Like this, fully pushed. And now we can take this out. Just wiggle it out, it's going to come out. So properly lube on the sliders where it slides, like this. Just wiggle it in. Now what I like to do is I make sure the brake pads are aligned. See, this one went in too much, so you have to pull it out a little bit. So as we go through.
咁可以用牙，我揾
有冇啊 Put the clip like this.
好啦。哦，本來咧我而家有你幫 AMG 換 brake 好有經驗嚟㗎。
點解？
換 Terry 哥嗰個，跟住啊換呢個。
係啊 ，OK 啦。
哦，睇住我啊，揸
喂，揾啖飯食啫都係。
照住我。
Put back the sensor, back the clip. So you have to align the pins and the holes like this. And we're done.